Let's make this amazing Ramadan wall decor. First, you'll need a circle cardboard, 25 centimeters in diameter. To draw it, open the drawing compass to 12.5. I'm covering it with velvet fabric, but you can use any type of fabric you want. Make sure to cut the fabric a bit bigger than the circle to make gluing the fabric easier. Cut the fabric all around like this. Put some glue on the cardboard and start folding the extra fabric to glue it. Remove the extra fabric that is not glued. Next, you'll need paper foam. You can choose the color you want. I chose white. Open the drawing compass to 9 centimeters and draw a circle. Glue the foam circle in the center of the velvet circle. I already prepared this phrase, but you can choose whatever phrase or font you want. I'm also making a small gold crescent moon, so I'm using this, because it's small, to draw a circle. Move it slightly and draw half a circle. You can leave it like this, or you can do like me and add decoration here. I'm using this because it's so cute and goes well with the theme. It's very light, so you can use double-sided tape for walls, which I prefer. But I'll show you how to make a hanger using the same fabric. Cut a small rectangular piece, add glue and fold it in half, then fold it the other way. And that's it. This is an easy, simple, and quick DIY using simple materials.